Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this adorable Santa earring using Pandahall's stuff that they sent me. I have these adorable polymer clay Santa beads. They sent me these. Look at this. Look at how many of these. I will leave links to everything below in the description. And then they also sent me these spacers, which are so nice. So I'm using those. I'm using the polymer clay beads. And then they sent me 10,000. I think they're called ear nuggets. And it's for the backings for the earrings. And then they sent me 1,000 of the ear wires. And let me tell you, such a great deal. I have a coupon code. It is, sorry, I forgot to get this out. Coupon code is YXYTBN Jewelry for 10% off your order with them. I will leave all the information below, so click down in the description to see everything. So I have an ear wire, and I have one of the backings, and then I have some of these adorable little Santa. Let me move some of this. My polymer clay Santas, and then some of the silver balls. Now I'm using a number 10 needle, and just like a wingspan of your favorite thread. That's all you have to do. So what I did was I lined them up like this, and then I picked up one of the silver beads, and then one of the Santas. Now this hole goes through the side. It doesn't go through the top. So that's why I'm doing this, doing them like this, because I thought, oh, this would be really cute. It just has a different look to it from the normal polymer clay earrings that people are wearing out there by having it like that on the side. You find there we go. Okay, so you want to have it so it's like that. And then I'm going to drag this all the way down because I got a lot of thread here. I'm going to move that up a little bit. And then what I do is I tie a knot, and then I lay it like this, and I make sure that all three of the Santas are facing outwards before I do it. And then I go and tie the next knot like that. And I have like that, and then I take my needle and I go through it one more time just to make sure that it's secure. I go through again. And then I go through it again. And then I will take this and tie it one more time. 1 and 2. And then I cut that down. And then I like to just burn that little piece off like that. I think it's getting caught in my, there you go. Just burn that down. And then coming up to there, I'll go through this one more time. and go over to this silver ball right here, like this. And then I go through the silver ball, and then, so I have it like this. Then I take 2 silver balls, and then I grab the ear wire, and then I go through 2 more silver balls. So that's what it looks like. And then I go back through that silver ball like that. Then I turn it over, and then I go up through it one more time. 1, 2, 3, and then I turn it over. I go down, and then I go through that. Then you have it like this, and then can I go through it one more time like that, and then I'll go underneath here and just I'll give it one little tie like that. And then I'll go through there. Go through there, and then I will give it a double knot like that. I think this is so cute, these little Santa earrings. So then I go up through there. I like to reinforce my jewelry because I sell it, and you know, I don't want people to ever have to message me and say it broke or it fell apart, you know. So okay, so here it is like this, and then I will take that and I will cut it like that, and then just touch that, and look at how cute this is. And I also, let me grab my other ones I made. I also made ones with 5 of them. So you can do the same, just the same exact thing, just add 2 more to it. Or you can just do the little 3 Santa circles. So depending what you want to do, I'm sure you could probably do 10 of them if you wanted to make a really big chunky earring. But I just think these turned out so cute. And it's just really easy to make. And if you do any like of the markets for the holidays, or just want to make Santa earrings for your friends, I mean, you can't you can't go wrong. Lord knows I have enough Santas here. So I will leave links below to everything in the description to all of these products and where you can get them on Pandahall, and then my coupon code YXYTBN Jewelry for 10% off, and I'll leave a link to Pandahall as well. And I'll leave links to all my social media as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video and this adorable earring, and I will see you on my next video. Have a great day, and thank you so much for watching.